Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A4 B8 thermostat. First, let's gather all the necessary tools and parts to make this process smooth and efficient. You'll need a few common items like a 10mm socket, a T30 Torx bit, and a good quality torque wrench. Don't forget your new thermostat, a fresh O-ring, and enough G13 coolant for your system. Having everything ready saves time and prevents interruptions. Now that you have your tools, it's time to safely prepare your Audi. Begin by lifting the front of the car and securing it with sturdy jack stands. Next, locate the coolant drain plug on the bottom of your radiator, usually on the passenger side. Carefully open it and allow all the old coolant to drain completely into your collection pan. This step is crucial for a clean and effective replacement. With the coolant drained, we can now access the thermostat. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal with a 10mm wrench for safety. You'll need to remove various hoses and electrical connectors attached to the thermostat housing. Once clear, unbolt and remove the old thermostat. Clean the mating surface thoroughly, then install your new thermostat with a fresh O-ring, tightening the bolts to 9 Nm. Finally, it's time to refill and bleed your cooling system. Reconnect all hoses, electrical connectors, and the battery terminal. Slowly add new G13 coolant to the expansion tank until it reaches the maximum level. Start the engine with the heater on high and let it run, squeezing hoses to help release air bubbles. Keep topping off the coolant as the level drops until no more bubbles appear. Remember to check the description below for a link to that fantastic book, plus other helpful deals and resources. Drive the car, then recheck the coolant level once it's cool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.